Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. Today we're going to talk about important equipments and important parts for the neonatal resuscitation protocol. So we have one of our topper juniors, she'll help us out. So let's start. So yes, we have Dr. Vaishno in our night duty. Hello ma'am. So these are the various equipments which are important for MBBS exams, for PG, for UG. So the question number one, ma'am, to you, the question number one is, what is this instrument? Could you repeat what is this? Neonatal
warmer.
Neonatal warmer. Very good. Okay. So what is this? What is this thing? The blue color thing. So it's a umbilical clamp. Umbilical clamp to clamp the umbilical cord. Umbilical clamp to clamp the umbilical cord. Okay. It's very important. Okay, ma'am. What is this?
This is yellow cannula. It's 24.
24 number. Very good. Ma'am, what is
And
this?
this purple one is 26.
26. Okay. So you said yellow is 20.
24.
Four.
And
Purple?
Purple is 26.
And blue
Blue is 22.
22. Very good. Okay, ma'am. What is this, ma'am?
This is ambu.
This is ambu bag. Okay, ma'am. I'll just point few things. Just tell me that. What is this, ma'am?
This is reservoir.
This is the reservoir. Okay, ma'am. What is this?
This is pop-up.
Pop-up valve. Okay, very good, ma'am. Could you show me where is the fish mouth valve?
Fish mouth that is inside.
Do it again. Yeah, this is fish mouth. Okay, very good, very good. So, ma'am. Okay, that's perfect. So, ma'am, what is this, ma'am?
This is ambu mask for the
Oh.
ambu bag.
Okay, where is the mask in this ambu bag?
This
Yeah, okay. So this is various different
Various
sizes.
sizes, actually.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, ma'am, what is this?
this is surgical blade.
Surgical blade. Okay, wonderful. And ma'am, what is this?
This is laryngoscope.
Laryngoscope. Could you show me how do we put laryngoscope? Take your time. Yes. So ma'am, how do we do it? Yeah, very good. Ma'am, how do you know it's on? How do we on it, ma'am? Yeah, very good. And how do you dislocate it? Thank you so much. Okay, and how do you dismantle it? Yeah, very good, perfect. Thank you. Last question, ma'am. What is this?
This is adrenaline.
Hmm.
1 is to 1000.
Okay, so adrenaline. And ma'am, what is the dose of adrenaline in neonatal resuscitation?
It's 0.1 to 0.3 ml per kg. It will,
In which dilution?
In 1 is to
10,000
dilution. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. These are the various equipments. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. Today we have an important question on the NRP Neonatal Resuscitation Program, and one of our wonderful junior, Dr. Vaishna, she'll help us out in various instruments and how to go with that. So let's start. So hello ma'am. So we have Dr. Vaishna. So she'll be helping us out in the instruments. So ma'am, question number one, what is this instrument? This one?
This is neonatal warmer.
Neonatal warmer. Very good. And ma'am, what is the normal temperature should we put there?
It should be 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius.
Very good, very good. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is this?
This is laryngoscope.
Laryngoscope. Okay.
And, different sizes.
Different. Which is a smaller one, ma'am?
This one is small one, 0, and this is 0.
Size 0. Okay. Can you on one and show me how to on it? So good illumination is there. It's good one. How to dismantle it? Very good. And how to put it back? And on it? Perfect. And off it? Very good. Done. Next question, ma'am. What is this?
This is umbilical clamp.
Umbilical clamp. To clamp the
Umbilical cord.
umbilical cord. In umbilical cord, how many artery, how many veins do we have?
2 arteries and 1 vein.
2 arteries, 1 vein. Very good. Ma'am, what is this?
This is area.
Adrenaline, okay. What is the dose of adrenaline in neonatal resuscitation?
0.1 to 0.3
ml
per kg.
In which dilution?
1 is to 10,000.
Very good. Okay, ma'am, this one. What is this?
This is ambu bag, self-inflating bag.
Okay, what are the parts of ambu bag, ma'am?
This is pop-up inlet.
Pop-up valve. Okay, this one. Okay, thank you.
Fish
Where is the
mouth.
fish mouth, ma'am?
Fish mouth.
Can you show me? Press one. Yeah, that's fish. Okay, fish mouth. Okay. I mean, this ambu bag, which is the mask in this?
Mask. Here.
Okay. Do we have various sizes also, ma'am, of the mask?
Yeah. Mask. This one.
Okay, perfect. Okay, ma'am, this one. So, what is this, ma'am?
ET2 size.
Endotracheal tube. Ma'am, which number is this?
This one is 2.5 mm.
How do we know?
It's written here, size.
2.5. Could you show us like that? Oh, this is an endotracheal tube.
Tube.
Ma'am, for what weight should we use this tube?
This is for less than 1 kg.
Less than 1 kg. Take the next tube.
Next.
Which number is this?
3.
Where it is written? 3 mm. Which weight should we use this?
2 to 3 kg.
2 to 3 kg. Take the next one. Which is this, ma'am? Which number it is?
3.5.
3.5. For what weight do we use it,
More
ma'am?
than 3 kg we'll use this.
More than 3 kg. Could you put this back? Thank you so much, ma'am. The case is almost ready. A last question. What is the dose of vitamin K do we give to a newborn?
For less than 1 kg we'll give 0.5 mg. Greater than 1 kg we'll give 1 mg.
Very good. Where is vitamin K yours?
Right here.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Where is your hepatitis B injection?
It's inside.
It's inside. Could you show us once? Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. Today we're going to talk about the neonatal resuscitation protocol. Like in our hospital, how a delivery happens. Like there the C-section is going on and there I'm waiting for the baby to come. Once the baby is out, like the baby will be given to me, the pediatrician. Few things we have to make sure that it is there in our NRP guidelines. Number one, we have the warmer. This you can see, this is a warmer basically, which is on. Okay, so you have to on the warmer here normally. Okay, then what do you have to do? 1 second. So I have on the warmer. Okay, so these things are there. One is for the light. Okay, one is to on the warmer, so I have on the warmer. Next, of course, basic things you need. This is the suction. You have to suction the baby. Like we have to suction if there are secretions in the baby. So this is a suction catheter. Suction catheter. Here we have, you can see, you on it. This is the on button, or you off it. This is the off. So if I on it, then there is a suction pressure, which is there in my suction pipe. Okay, number one. Number two, I'll be needing an oxygen chamber. This is the oxygen chamber for giving oxygen to the baby. 1 second. Yeah. So this one. Okay, this one is I'm giving for giving the oxygen to the baby. Okay, this one. So basically here you have to increase it. Okay, and this is how I give the oxygen to the baby. Are you understanding? Yes or no? Okay, I'll keep it aside. I'll just put it sideways. Then what is this? Umbilical stump. That also you need for clamping the umbilical cord. Yes or no? Okay, then you need a surgical blade and very nice sterile gauze piece for cord clamp and cut, of course, right? So you need a neonatal warmer, you need a suction catheter, suction like tube and suction catheter. Then we have the oxygen pipe with us, and few important drugs we have. We should always have, you can see here, adrenaline. Okay, ADR, injection adrenaline is there. In neonatal resuscitation protocol, very important, you give 0.1 to 0.3 ml of per kg, 0.1 to 0.3 ml per kg of adrenaline in 1:10,000 dilution. Very important. Okay, next. Okay, what is this? What is this thing? So it's a laryngoscope. Okay, it's a laryngoscope with a good illumination, good light. It's a laryngoscope for if I have to intubate the child. Okay, he has various sizes of laryngoscope. This is a small one, this is a big one, like that. Okay, this already I have filled injection vitamin K. Injection vitamin K already it is there in this. In our hospital, vitamin K and injection hepatitis B we give at birth to the baby. Okay, next, what are these things? What are these things? So some are adults, some are newborns. Very important regarding the bag and mask. This is the, what is this? This is the bag and mask. Okay, bag and mask. It's a self-inflating bag and mask. Okay, bag and mask, known as Ambu bag or bag and mask. Okay, it has mask of various sizes. Then it has this one is the pop-up valve. Once I do like this, there is a sound coming here, pop-up valve. You also have one more valve. If you see, fish mouth. Can you see a fish mouth is opening? This one over here, inside this. Look inside this. 1 second. Yeah, like that. Can you see? It's a fish mouth valve. So again, this is a bag and mask of various sizes mask. Okay, I'll keep it aside. Baby is yet to come. Baby is just gonna come. I'm just checking all the equipments are there or not. What is this? what do you call this? It's a LMA, laryngeal mask airway. Goodell's airway basically. It's not LMA. I would say it's a Goodell's airway. Goodell's airway. LMA is different. This Goodell's airway. Again, important for us to understand. Okay. This is the weighing machine to take the weight of the baby. Okay. Yes, that's it. And the baby is going to come. We will see whether it is a baby cried immediately after birth or not. These are the various endotracheal tubes of various sizes. So as you can see, this is our baby who has cried immediately after birth. The baby has cried immediately after birth. Okay. So what is this white sticky thing you can see? So this is nothing but Vernix caseosa. Vernix caseosa. Okay. So this is a baby who has cried immediately after birth. Okay. So what is this? This is the umbilical cord. Okay. So we have to clamp and cut the umbilical cord of the baby. Okay. The baby is perfectly fine. The baby is stable. Okay. So most importantly in this one, you have to clean the baby. Okay. From the top to bottom. That is also very important. Okay. So now what I have done, umbilical cord is clamped and cut. This umbilical cord is clamped and cut.